Chrisley Appeals Court vacates sentencing. Going home soon? Hello everyone, my name is Alana B. Welcome back to my another video. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like up. Chrisley was incorrectly sentenced for losses that she was accused of. That is the news that Chrisley Knows Best fans heard after Savannah Chrisley updated on the outcome of the oral appeal for Todd Chrisley and his wife. The news arrived on Friday, June 21. So she will be remanded back to the district court for an amendment to her sentence, and possibly to her record. Chrisley will likely go home sooner rather than later. Many people believe that Todd Chrisley and his wife are innocent. Meanwhile, even those who don't like them seemed a bit taken aback at the length of the sentences. The news about the appeal court is good news. Recall, the mom of Savannah Chrisley ended up being charged with more offenses than her husband. Between them, they currently serve their original sentence of a combined 19 years. Chrisley's sentence had been vacated, per Channel 2. The article cited court documents as saying, "The district court did not identify the evidence it relied on to hold Julie accountable for losses incurred before 2007, and we cannot independently find it in the record. So we vacate Julie's sentence and remand solely for the district court to make the factual findings and calculations necessary to determine loss, restitution, and forfeiture as to Julie and to resentence her accordingly." Chrisley served over a year in a Kentucky facility, and according to her daughter, prison conditions are not good. At one stage, Savannah mentioned that poison snakes had access to the prison. Strip searches were also alleged to have happened, even with 2 years shaved off her original 7-year sentence. Staying behind bars for a long time seemed shocking, especially as she raised minor children, Chloe and Grayson. What does it mean to vacate a sentence? According to Angus Lee Law Firm, when a court vacates a sentence, it means that a person might have been incorrectly sentenced. In Julie's case, it seems that the court sentenced her harshly without the appeal judges being able to find the evidence to back up her sentence. Notably, a person can be retried, but it usually leads to reduced time or an expunging of the record. That doesn't necessarily mean that Savannah Chrisley's mom gets to go home this week. The appeals court referred the case back to the district court. Originally, AP reported that Todd and Julie were found guilty of conspiring to defraud the IRS in tax evasion, and Chrisley was convicted of wire fraud and obstruction of justice. But it seems she will likely get home a lot sooner than previously thought. The appeals court could not find any evidence that attributed this $17 million loss amount to my mother. And for that I am grateful, and I hope and pray that the judge can send her home. I am a firm believer that she will be coming home sooner rather than later. Chrisley Knows Best fans respond. You need to know that Todd Chrisley was not found innocent of anything, and for now, his sentence will remain unchanged. However, fans of the couple seem thrilled for Julie, and they praised Savannah Chrisley for fighting for her parents. Here are some of their thoughts. "So thankful that they have a persistent daughter like you fighting for their release. Praise God, bring Julie and Todd home. Your parents will forever be grateful to you for fighting for them. It sounds like Julie should never have gone to prison in the first place. Thank goodness, praying she gets released in the near future. This is a big win, one at a time, and they will both be home sooner rather than later." What are your thoughts about the appeals court vacating Chrisley's sentence? Do you hope that she is now free to go home once the remanded hearing restructures its findings on the loss amount attributed to Julie? Sound off in the comments below, and come back here for all your Chrisley Knows Best news. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, America Trends 24, and stay with us.